Okay.
Just gonna drive straight ahead, make a right to the campground, skip up that whole first main section, just keep driving down the river there. You're gonna loop around that outer edge on the right.
Okay.
You guys are gonna be right there.
Great. Thank you.
Have a good night.
All right. Good night. That's hot. Okay. Let's pour this in here. I don't know if you can see that here. Oh. We have our ramen and we have our kimchi here. Man, I haven't had this ramen in so long. It's so good.
Beer?
Sure. Here. Present for you guys.
What is it? Helio? What's that? Oh, is that the one you were talking about?
Yeah.
But you have to connect water to it, right? Basically.
What's up?
You have to connect water to it?
You just put water inside the tank. It's a foldable bag, so
Oh, and then you just...
you fill it up with water and then you can use it as a shower.
Oh, thank you. Cheers.
Cheers.
We have
And
sausage,
with bacon.
eggs,
Sauce.
bacon.
And we forgot the hash browns.
Yes, hash browns are in the house in the freezer.
Brought cornhole, by the way.
Oh, you did?
Oh, but it's
Might
like
get
table?
messy. Oh, mini cornhole.
Yeah, nice. We can do that. We could actually have brought it.
And I have like these churro chips, the Korean churros. They're really
Korean
good.
churros?
Like they're
In the
chips.
morning.
Blasted
Sweet?
Korean churro.
Sweet?
Yeah, they taste like churro. No, but it's really good.
Let's try it.
Sure.
Cheers.
Let's try it.
On our camping trip.
Don't being drenched and wet inside. What are these? Just chips?
Just pepper. Yeah.
Because I'm trying to see it there and I can't see it.
But this will last maybe 5-10 minutes.
And then
Sometimes 20 minutes and it just goes away. So.
Maybe an hour? Okay.
I don't know. I mean, once you're sleeping, you're sleeping.
It looks like you just finished it
Yeah,
all.
here you go. The whole bag.
I have a strange neighbor.
Hey.
So you see the bathroom?
Literally?
Yeah. Try crossing that at night when you can't see.
Oh, not night there. I'm going to use the restroom now because I'm here anyways.
Oh, I didn't even see that.
Yeah.
You gotta be more adventurous.
Be careful though.
You gotta be more adventurous. No, it's not slippery at all. Oh shit! I'm using this now. It's a party in here.
We disrespect people who think they think coffee. Too big gas. What is it?
Water. I know that. This one I used yesterday, so I'm gonna finish it, and then I'll use that too. There's sugar here.
And
We brought sugar.
caramel and sugar.
Caramel? That's not coffee.
That's
Were you guys planning on attending it today?
I signed up to it.
I signed up.
But how?
Because just in case if there is signal.
Oh, no.
Okay.
Well, you didn't tell me we were going camping before I signed up.
Oh, I have it in my car. Hold on.
That's good.
Okay.
Wait, let me
You
scroll.
want more?
Yeah. Quite a bit.
You should be good.
Check it. On.
No, just close it. Let us steep for, I think, a minute or two.
Come on. I'll give you one.
Get the other one. What? Not all?
No, I'm opening it.
Oh.
I don't want to just
I was
dump
like,
it. It's gonna all
geez.
go everywhere.
What kind of parent are you? You want hot cocoa?
Yes, half. Just pour a little. No, just shake it a little bit.
Oh, lovely.
Shot.
No, we have spoons, so we'll get straight and grab it.
Dude, that marshmallow better puff up.
Oh, they don't.
No, they're all like tiny.
They're tiny bits.
Stop it.
No,
Nope. Good high. That's fine.
you can get your other shoes. Your feet's gonna get bad.
I know, but
Change it.
I can't wear my hiking boots for too long because it hurts.
Oh.
Yeah.
I don't want it to burn because last time I didn't know that this heats up
Super
really
fast,
fast
yeah.
and it was burning.
Yeah.
Alright.
¿Cuánto?
¿Cuánto? 2 for 5. 2 for 5. Huh? No, I'm gonna do the hot cocoa first.
We're watching. What? Oh, is it? Just it?
Yeah. It's twist off. No, twist
Oh,
it off.
you
Twist
twist
it
it
off.
Oh, so it's just one
Yeah.
one-time use?
Yeah. And then you can plug it back in.
Okay.
Yes.
You can put more coffee and then use it the same way, right?
You can reuse the bag.
Yeah. So.
It's actually made so that you can just reuse it. Just pick out the ground, wash it, and then
Just
put in new
whatever
ground.
ground
Yeah.
you want.
Where's my coffee maker?
It's right.
Breakfast?
Yeah.
Or are we doing Korean barbecue with it?
Oh,
Drink your hot cocoa.
we don't have a lot of tortillas, so one or the other.
Say that.
This is pretty strong, so good. Oh man, I can already smell it.
I might have to go.
Poison control here.
That's hot still.
It just came out of the stove.
Yeah, this one.
No, I'm gonna.
You're gonna
Get ready to touch that.
This looks so bad.
Pepper call.
Looks like you have a stick in your mouth.
Hey, kids around.
Oh what?
The
Needs to cook a little more.
A little more?
It's a little pink.
oh, it's good, but it's sitting there though.
Okay. Let me see. Oh, it's good.
Nothing.
2 times 3
2 times 3 is how much?
4.
times 3 is 8.
Hey.
You said the first correct answer, and then you switched to
Because we all looked at elephants.
1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Eat it properly, son.
3 eggs.
No, I thought it was because I'm seeing from here.
Sure.
Okay, what else we doing in this one? Oh, you said this. Oh, you already put pepper.
I want you to try this.
Yes.
What is it?
Try it on the eggs and sausage. I can't find it anymore. They had it only for a little bit.
And then
It goes really well with fries also.
fries?
Yeah.
No, it's like basically like I forgot the name.
I don't have to get that.
Are you
video.
getting messages there?
I got 1 bar.
Oh yeah, sometimes I get like a random message,
Yeah.
and when I want to use
Yeah,
the phone, it
I
says
got-
no signal.
WhatsApp gave me a notification saying you may have.
Is it spicy?
notifications.
Yeah. Well, not really spicy, but it's still kimchi
You said on
season.
and then avocado.
Try it. Yeah. You might like it.
Daddy, can I go back to the tent?
No. Pick up.
How is it?
You're good.
I don't want to go in the tent, then you have to
We're
take
gonna
this.
make it dirty.
Yeah.
No, I better take off my shoes.
No, no, no. I want you to just stay here.
Oh,
There is nothing you can do in there. Wow, that tied up. Tight. Let's record each other.
Oh my gosh.
It's like a on guard. Everyone say hi.
hi.
Mother told us to say hi.
Whoa.
Uh-oh, you dropped it. What happened? Oh, how are we gonna go past? Oh, we should have went around. Adventure, let's see.
Oh, we can do this. Dude, whoever got this spot sucks.
Yeah, these two spots are kind of... But nobody's here.
Yeah.
Under
Yeah.
the tree. No, it's under the sea, right?
No, yeah, yeah. This is Sparta. Kind of like that. All like you see how it's reserved. I think these people all they're no show. That's why we have all this privacy.
Yeah.
I'm gonna make mine more dynamic than his.
Can you just stop copying me? Dude, I take so many videos, I never get a chance to edit them.
Can I picture and send it to me? Are you taking a dump?
What? Those people were laughing at us. Those three women that were.
Does it have a cover or a dog?
I don't know, they looked at each other.
Hi.
I can see myself. Keep walking.
Keep walking, people. Yeah.
Butts and legs. And
I know, Tina. I may have been taking videos of your butt. Sorry.
What?
Hi. No butt videos, please.
I like big.
Okay, please stop. Oh, I want to so walk in this.
Mhm.
Trying to jump off of it into the water. Yeah, it's actually not bad if it's deep enough.
Hey, lunch to go.
Looks like a crab, right?
Yeah, that's a crab. Ooh.
Well, this is nice.
Yep. Did you say I bleeped you out last time?
Yeah, oh, I don't know if there is anything.
Check out this cabin. It's a cabin. Go under, it's raining. Go under. What is this? Is it a ghost house?
Oh, it says something here on the outside.
Not welcome.
Say.
State parks.
Oh, this is state park. Oh,
That's what I'm saying. Get under the shelter. It's raining.
is that PCS?
Yes.
Another doggy.
That's PCH over there.
Hey, what is that?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, that's so you can cross the tree. Oh, man.
Cool, huh?
Actually, I would rather walk on the side. You
Yeah.
wanna walk down that? Yeah, you got the rainbow.
We're gonna walk through.
That's fine, come on.
Well, I'm going this way. So we meet again. I see an open sign. Dude, their brown bag smells like ass.
How do you know what like
It smells.
kicks around, man?
It smells super moldy. So don't touch it.
I'm
You're gonna
not.
kill a what's it?
Ecosystem.
Ecosystem. Here, thank you.
That's my beer.
Yes.
Move.
Measure the water.
Steady?
Oh, whoa. That one lady was running.
Yeah, I saw him.
Hold on. I'm purposely making a lot,
Yeah.
and we can take leftovers and stuff.
Blow it up.
Hey, at least he's not wasting, right?
Because I already dropped two. It's soju time.
What's up?
I'm getting drunk, I don't care.
Music. Turn down the light.
Ooh, that smells good.
Okay, alright. It's about damn time. Ooh, Lizzo?
Yeah.
No, dude. She's underrated. The fact that she can bring nostalgia for 90s hip hop by listening to her.
It looks like more old school.
80s, 90s, yeah.
Yeah, even before that, yeah.
That's why I like her.
The sound, yes, definitely.
Woo!
Ooh, easy there. Use the glove.
I know. Ooh-wee. So I'm gonna put that in there. Dude, seriously.
Oh.
It's not open.
Yeah, with the chopsticks. Let me know when how much more.
Good.
Oh. Okay, you good with that?
Can you give me some curry though?
Are you sure you want to eat curry? But we made it light. Oh shoot. I can't do it.
Huh?
I can't do it.
Shit, mine is very light.
No, no, but it's okay.
Isimaru. Whoa.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
That's it.
That's all. Cut him off.
I just like my finger with it. No. So here. So
This is not the answer. This is just one thing. This is another thing.
yeah. So we're gonna play the gray side because it's bottom down right now. So he's gonna. So you start off, right? So you're gonna try to say only one syllable words, and you just have to either guess the word or the phrase. The phrase is 3 points. This is 1 point. So you can go. You can decide which one you're gonna try to go after, right?
Okay.
And try to explain it so that you can say it as a phrase or as a word. For the 1 point, which is one word, okay?
Okay.
Ready?
And
Go.
Ready for the...
It's something that we.
Something, hit, go again, keep going.
Thing.
Yeah,
No, it has to be only
one syllable words.
something to.
Oh.
What? We use.
He can see your word because you're doing this with the card.
Okay, put the card down. Yeah, what we use.
Eat with.
What we use, eat with.
What
Yeah.
you used to eat with.
Yeah. We
That's actually really good, by
Yeah.
the way.
Fork, spoon.
No, you got it.
right.
Fork.
Fork?
Yeah.
Oh.
She's actually not bad. If
Alright.
once she understood, you can't say
Yeah.
something.
Oh.
We do what in the car?
Drive.
Alright.
3 to 1.
Actually, 3 points.
Okay,
Should be
3 points. Okay, try.
You eat this with.
Wait, what? Go.
How do you
One
even
more,
pick
one or three.
I'm gonna try 3.
Okay,
Oh.
go.
Okay.
Ball.
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 Ball. Cup.
World Cup. Baseball. No. Ball. Cap.
Surface.
Surface.
Ball.
That's what I was
Cap.
thinking. That's what I was thinking when she started saying that.
She said surface. That's 2 syllables.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah,
better.
get it. Okay, ball, cup, red, cup.
I suck at getting these cans.
Desk.
What? Ball, cup, desk, red.
Time up. Now.
No. What is it?
Just hit her a little bit on the back.
What?
Just slightly.
That's
Ping
it.
pong table.
What?
It's red.
So
Cup,
she said ball and cup. At first thing I thought was beer pong. And then
Oh, ping pong. It's the one with the paddle. I was thinking the wrong one. Loki's like, I don't get the place.
You
I'm
put this around and
Oh.
shoot.
Stop saying around.
Here, I can help you.
The squirrel.
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 Roll.
Loki barks. When
Loki?
Loki.
Loki. Ah, damn it. Dog barks.
Basketball?
Ball. Oh, sorry.
Oh, sorry. Hand gesture.
Ball. You hit the ball on the wall. And it.
Comes back.
Other word for comes back.
Other?
The.
A for.
Apple?
Yeah.
That's it?
What?
That's it.
Oh.
All right.
Wait. Sorry. No. That's not it.
That's a completely different
How many,
word.
how many seconds is
Give
it?
it to me.
Wait, let me show me the word. Show me the word. Show me the word.
The one that goes in front of it.
That's the word.
Because I was going. Wait, let me finish it.
But more importantly, soda time.
Kumpai.
Cheers.
Kumbaya.
Oh, there you go. Chug.
Goodbye.
Make you really warm in 2 seconds.
We just kind of play it this way.
Oh, okay. Who you asking?
Who's
Yeah,
that?
let me steal one of your cards.
Oh man.
Hey, Maria, let me steal some of your cards.
Some?
One.
See this one.
Love him.
Oh!
Hey. Oh, it's just
Alright.
an attack card.
It's
Come
not
on.
bad.
Your turn, Trina.
I know. Okay. Let me steal one of your cards.
Why me? Mommy.
Well, she already stole from me, from Maru. Now I gotta steal from you.
Spread them out.
Wait, what makes you nervous?
No. Oh.
Right, whatever.
Okay,
Now we're starting?
so I'm gonna ask Tina for a favor. Just give me any random card.
Card.
No, because then she'll ask for another favor.
But you got rid of the card.
Wait, no, I'm gonna make that decision.
Oh.
Go.
Okay.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Did you
Favorite.
cover the front? You didn't
Alright.
cover the actual screen.
What?
You're covering the wrong person.
Oh,
What do you want? Soju.
So more surgery.
What? Are you the? Oh, was that you? Oh my god.
that's what I said. Knowing him, he's gonna put it up on top.
Can't be the only one who lost the
Let me see.
diffuse.
1, 2.
I'm gonna nope your skip.
Not interesting.
Shuffle. Okay.
Look.
He pointed them to me.
Do you think we're dead? Oh, damn it!
Shuffle it to yourself.
And you're out.
And I have so many good cards in there. Who wants them? Aw, me.
Going for 8.
How do you?
What do you need?
Upper outside.
Just don't drop it
Thank
on
you.
the floor.
Oh wow, seriously?
All the way back. That's why I told you to get the tab.
9.
Thank you.
Oh,
What'd you drop?
Oh, and she's done.
she is done.
Oh, wild.
7, okay. 11.
Whatever. Keep him more. Jessica. Hey, the kids are here.
Wait, but it's still my turn, right?
Yeah, I skipped him.
She needed the one for her run.
No, she already threw a one. Oh.
See?
4, and then 8, 5.
Whoa.
You know, she can read minds. She gets it.
I didn't know that.
So I made this pickled persimmon.
Okay.
It's gonna go really well with the...
Big lid.
I think it's.
How was it looking at the toilet? I didn't know.
Same thing. Good answer.
Then how are we gonna get up morning? Oh,
Do I just need water for this one?
Chicken bouillon.
No. It's just like fish stock.
Anything else from the car while I go there?
no.
You guys sure?
No, we'll just wait until you come back. That's what we get.
Whoa, you okay?
Yeah. There you go.
Pretty much anything.
Yeah. You can pretty much use it
You
for
can do
water.
it for
big one.
some more. But it needs one of these.
Oh my god.
I have something like that. My mom does. Small, like maybe. No, but it doesn't work on a stove because it has the dish in the bottom. Now, a little higher.
Salt.
Yeah.
No, Salpe is... He lets it touch his elbow as it goes down. He he does the single and it goes off of his elbow in like this.
Cool. Emerald?
No. Salt Bay.
That bird.
Woo!
Nice.
What do you want to use?
That's all the food we have.
Make sure they don't fall.
Come right here.
Fine items. I don't know why they sound the same to
They
me.
about the same. They sing about the same way too.
Where's the person in?
What do you want?
Okay. Oh no, I just want a few. I'm gonna just one. Yeah, that's good for now. Thank you.
Oh, you didn't eat after that. Move forward. Yeah. Is this one called?
I'll try the pickle one there.
Perla leaf? Yeah.
Hold on.
Don't just think the radish, think of both. No?
What is the green leaf?
What was that?
What
Corn?
is it?
Perla leaf.
Oh, shoot.
Yeah, that's
How
right.
long is that gonna take to cook?
This is gonna be the last one. Ooh, that's too big. What's this?
Isn't this Whitney Houston? I'm Every Woman.
Sound, the music that sounds like a remix.
Oh.
You're almost done?
Kind of. Just the table, the chair, and then the canopy and all this good stuff. Freya, bye. Bye.